How to find phone contacts on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. And if you want to find friends on Facebook using just their mobile numbers, let me show you a quick and simple way that works for both Android and iPhone. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook application and navigate to your home screen. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Tap the menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, navigate to Settings and Privacy, and select Settings option. Scroll down. Now choose See More in Account Center. Scroll down, look for your Information and Permissions option. Tap to open it. Now tap on Upload Contacts. Make sure to choose your Facebook account. And now, toggle the button on for continuous contacts upload. With this, tap on Continue button to allow access to contacts to find friends faster. Now tap Allow button. Now Facebook will show you all your saved contacts who are on the platform, making it easy to connect with them. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.